Hi everyone, welcome to our step-by-step guide on mastering the art of folding your bathroom. Following along as we show you exactly how to achieve a perfectly folded bathrobe every time. Let's get started. First, begin by laying your bathrobe plate on a clean surface. Smooth out any wrinkles and creases to ensure a neat fold. Starting at the bottom of the bathrobe, fold one side over toward the center, making sure to align the edges. Repeat this step with the other side. Now fold the sleeves inward toward the center, creating a straight line across the top of the bathrobe. Next, fold the top portion of the bathrobe down about a third of the way, ensuring that all edges are aligned. Finally, fold the bottom portion of the bathrobe upward, overlapping the top fold and creating a compact and tidy final fold. And guys, there you have it, a perfectly folded bathrobe. Remember to take your time and be mindful of the neatness of your fold to achieve the best result. Thank you for watching our video. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tricks. Happy folding guys.